Welcome to episode 8 of my Help with Maths homework series. Today we will be using the discriminant to find unknown values for quadratics. The question from my maths help group is, find all values of m such that in brackets 4m plus 1 x squared minus 6mx plus 4 is a perfect square. Most of these questions where you have to find unknown values in quadratics have to do with using the discriminant. So for this question, you need to understand that a perfect square is something like in brackets x plus a squared. So then you need to know that a perfect square means 1 root, which means the discriminant equals 0. So now let's remember, the discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. So let's sub in a, b and c for this quadratic using brackets. So that gives us the discriminant equals, in brackets, negative 6m all squared minus 4, in brackets 4m plus 1, and then in brackets 4. So now we just expand the numbers, so we get 36m squared minus 16 brackets 4m plus 1. And now we can set that equals to 0, and since 36 and 16 have a common factor of 4, we can divide that out, and we're left with 9m squared minus 4 brackets 4m plus 1 equals 0. So to solve for m, we just expand, and we get 9m squared minus 16m minus 4 equals 0. So to solve this, we need to factorize if we can. So we find what times is to give negative 36, right? The 4 times so negative 4 times the 9, and what adds to give negative 16, which is negative 18 and 2. So in brackets, that gives us m minus 18 on 9, and in brackets m plus 2 equals 0, and hence m equals 2 or negative 2 on 9. So if you want to know my trick for factorizing non-mnemonic quadratics fast, just leave a comment below. And that's it. So those are the two values of m such that this quadratic will be a perfect square. So that's how simple it is to find unknowns using the discriminant for quadratics. So do you enjoy my Help with Maths homework series? So make sure to comment below if you do. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, turn on bell notifications, smash that like button, comment what you want future videos on, and don't forget to share the gift of maths with your friends. Let's grow this to be the best maths channel on YouTube. Otherwise, Friday, I'll see you for the live workshop.